Okay, so hi, my name is Ritika Singh Chauhan, and welcome back to my channel. Um, Today's video is going to be a haul, a Nykaa haul. This haul is going to be basically more about my restocks rather than buying makeup and like collecting stuff. It's more like on I'm just restocking stuff. So if you want to know what I got and what I bought, so please continue watching. Okay, so let's start off with this bada dabba. This dabba has my restocks, some of my skincare and mostly my restocks. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first thing first, I have restocked my bathroom essentials. I got this I don't know why this is not focusing. I got this Biotique soap, which is the Biotique Himalaya Plum Refreshing Soap. It is pink in color. So this is how the soap looks. It's very huge in size. It lasts for months, not for months, a month or two, and it smells great. And it's all natural. I like this soap. I have used this soap so many times, so yeah, I have restocked it. The second thing I purchased is also from Biotique. It's their Bio White Advanced Fairness Face Wash. Well, it does nothing for fairness, and I haven't bought this on for the fairness purpose. I bought this because it actually cleanses your face very nicely and thoroughly, and second of all, it removes your makeup. So I really like the face wash which cleanses your face and removes your excess makeup. So yeah, this is what I got, and it's a very nice face wash. I really love this face wash. I have used this one and the honey one in the same range. So yeah, plus this face wash is kind of inexpensive. It costs for like 230 or it costs for 240 bucks. So yeah, it's a very beautiful face wash. The next thing I got is this Wow hair conditioner. It's the Red Onion Black Seed Oil Conditioner. Okay, so this conditioner has really worked wonders for me because my hair is kind of curly and frizzy. It's in between curly and frizzy, and no conditioner works on my hair. They are kind of thick also, so nothing works on my hair. This is the first conditioner which actually worked on my hair very nicely. So I really love this conditioner, and it costs for like, it's for $4.99, but I got it on sale. It's for like, I remember the price, it's for like 350 rupees. So yeah, it's a very beautiful conditioner. Plus this conditioner shows the result very slowly, like the results are very slow. If you really want this conditioner to show the results, you have to follow the instructions, because the instructions are very important. Like, you have to put a good dollop of conditioner on your palm, like massage it together and put on your hair, and then leave it for 5 minutes. I leave it for 5 minutes. It's mentioned here like 5 or 2 minutes according to your hair or hair type or your hair growth or whatever it is. So yeah, this is the third thing I got. Okay, so the next thing is this Nivea Coco Nourish 48-hour Deep Moisture Care Moisturizer. It's for very dry skin, me. Okay, so I've used this moisturizer, tried, tested, loved and recommended. If you want to invest in a good moisturizer, Nivea have the best moisturizer, and this is one of them. So yeah, it's for rupees 375, but I got it in the sale, and it's 400 ml, which lasts for about 2 months. And okay, so I'll leave the sale price and the actual price on my screen. Yeah. Okay, so I have restocked on my makeup remover. It's the Garnier Micellar makeup remover. It's my favorite makeup remover. I know many of you guys have used it already, and this is a very beautiful makeup remover. It is for rupees 349, means 350, and it is for 400 ml. So yeah, I leave the sale price as I told you. Then I restocked on my lip balm. It's the Nykaa Serial Kisser lip balm. I don't like the name. It's for rupees 149. I got it in sale. It's in the variant peach. This is how it looks. So yeah, it's like good. It's for I use Nykaa lip balms more for my summer side because they're like, so I use this lip balm for my summer purpose. They are nice. They don't deep moisturize your lips, but they moisturize enough for like summers. So yeah, I got this one. Okay, so this product is completely new to me. It's the Everyuth Naturals Pure Light Tan Removal Scrub for face and body, chocolate and cherry. So this one, I've never used any of Everyuth's product before, and it comes in a glass bottle and it smells like chocolate. I don't know about cherries, but it do smells like chocolate. I don't know what chocolate, but chocolate. So it is for 50 grams and it cost for like 115, but I got it in sale again. I'll leave the price above. So yeah, this is how this scrub looks. Okay, so I have to restock on my moisturizer, and the moisturizer I got is this the Pond's Light Moisturizer, non-oily, fresh feel, and I got the full size version, the bada dabba of it, because I love this moisturizer. This moisturizer is just perfect. I use it before bed, before going to bed, after waking up in the morning, and this moisturizer is just beautiful, and I have already opened it because my last moisturizer is completely over. So yeah. Okay, so this moisturizer costs for like 249, sale again, and it's for 250 ml, so it is going to last me for a long time. And yeah, it's a beautiful moisturizer and it's inexpensive. So yeah, if you want to try, you can definitely go for this. Okay, so this dabba is over. Now move to a makeup side, and for makeup I have, okay, so I have not shopped like crazy in the makeup category. This is how the dabba looks, and it has like 4 to 5 products in it. So this time I have majorly stocked up on my essentials, my daily needs, and more on my restocking, the products which already got over, so I have to buy them. So yeah, the makeup side is very small. Okay, so for makeup, the first thing I got is this sugar compact powder, and it's in the shade 10, I guess 10 latte. Yes, 10 latte. And this is how the outer dabba looks like, and this is how it looks like. It's not bulky. This compact is not bulky. It's very light. I was not expecting it to be this light. This is actually very light. And this is and then we have this, whatever this is called, protector or whatever, and then a good mirror, and this is how the shade looks. Hope it's focused. And then when we turn it, we have this applicator as imprinted on it. And yeah, so I haven't tried any of the sugar compacts like something, but I have tried sugar foundation stick, and that is bomb. That is amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna test it out, and yeah, I got this for sale again. So anyway, the MRP of this is $499. The sale price will be mentioned somewhere here. Okay, the next thing is this Nykaa blush. I was eyeing on this blush for a very long time. It's in the shade 03 Malibu Barbie, and this blush has so many good reviews on it, and this is how the color looks. It has 2 shades in it, the dark pink one, the light pink one. So yeah, I have tried this actually, like before shooting this haul. This blush is very natural, like your daytime kind of a blush, and it is just beautiful. The finish is beautiful. It does not emphasize any of your texture or anything like that, and the price is good also. Anyway, I got it in sale again. So I'll tell you the actual price and then I'll leave the sale price down here somewhere again. Okay, so I cannot find the price on the dabba, so I'll leave both the prices here. Okay, the very next thing I got is this Miss Clear lipstick in the shade, in the number 14, and it's a very beautiful nude shade. Well, it's this range which is called Soft Matte Lip Cream. It's the Miss Clear. This range is actually the dupe of NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and the shade is very beautiful. It's in like peachy brown kind of a shade, and I'm very bad at swatching, but still. This is how the shade looks. I love this shade. Well, I got it for my mom, so I'm not gonna use it. Anyway, I don't like, cream matte kind of a lipstick. I'm more of like a full matte person. I prefer lipsticks. My lipstick as more matte than velvety or like soft cream matte. So yeah, I'm gonna just give this to my mom, and I actually got this for my mom. So yeah. Anyway, the texture is good. It lasts for like 3 to 4 hours. For me, it lasts for like 3 to 4 hours because I actually eat my lipstick a lot, and the price will be down there. Okay, for the next thing I got, this is the Nykaa lipstick. I don't know what this range is called, but it's in the shade Let It Snooze. I was eyeing on this product again and it was on sale, so I got it. So this is how the lipstick looks. I don't know, let me see. Okay, so let me swatch it. Okay, so this lipstick is same as the Maybelline, creamy matte lipstick. The color is very beautiful. I really like this color. It's like again some kind of like peachy nude kind of a color, which is my taste actually. I really like lipsticks in brown nudes or peachy nudes, more of like peachy nude side. Yeah. Okay, so the lipstick cost for like 299 rupees if I'm not wrong, and I guess it's a good price. Even anyway, I got it in sale, but even if you want to buy it like with no sale, it's like okay for a lipstick to be like for 299. The color is very beautiful. I really like this color. So yeah. Anyway, the lipstick is going to transfer on anything you touch with your lips, of course. So because the texture is not completely matte, the texture is more of a creamy side, so it's gonna transfer and you're gonna like reapply it, but this lipstick like leaves a stain on your lips. So yeah, even if you like ate all your lipstick or anything like that, there's going to be a color stain on your lipstick, which is very nice because it's okay to have a color than bare lips. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing I got is this Lakme eyeliner. It's quite popular these days. I don't know why everyone likes this. I haven't used it again yet, and it's very cheap. It's for like 130 rupees. Anyway, I got it for like 100 rupee for an eyeliner, right? So I haven't used it. It says it's water resistant, and okay, so the one thing I can tell is the tip of the liner is very good, very flexible, good for beginners also, and it's in the color black. 9 ml of product, and shake well before you use. So yeah, I'm not gonna use right now, but okay. So the next thing I got again for my mom is this mini nail paint. It's the Elitine nail paint, and it's in the color 148. It's the maroon color, classic maroon color, every mother's favorite, and it was not on sale. Yeah, it cost for 50 rupees. I got this for 50 rupees, and that brings to the end of our haul. My dabbas are empty now. So yeah, okay, so I see you guys next time. Till then, take care, and bye.